Really glad to catch up with everybody today. Wanted to give you our daily message of what's happening at AMT and with all the things that we're involved in. Had a great conversation earlier today with my counterparts around Europe, finding out how they're handling things. So I talked to the UK, talked to Switzerland, and also caught Spain to get a little bit of an insight as to how they're doing managing this. And the good news, I think, is that we're all in a similar boat, and we're all doing similar things to try to stay in touch with our members, and we're all dealing with the coronavirus in a similar way. Some of those guys are a little bit ahead of us, Spain and Italy, and some are a little behind or near where we are, which is closer to the UK. But I think everyone's got some pretty positive feelings as to when we're going to come out of this. There's been a number of things that they've been doing similar to us to try to keep members engaged and connected to information. And I think they're all a little bit jealous of some of the things we have with the AMT News online system that we just put out. So we'll be sharing some of our key features with those guys, but also touching base with them and other people from around the world just to find out what they're doing and passing information on to you to be helpful. So we'll try to catch you every day at 4 o'clock, give you 2 to 3 minutes of information that's hopefully going to be useful to you. And we'll be checking with your questions if you want to send them in to us. And you can do that through the chat right here on the screen. We'll catch up with you guys and answer your questions in future days. Have a great one.